MI-8034 electric standing desk base with dual motors. Installation. Attach 1 foot to one of the legs using the provided bolts and tighten until secure using the 5mm hex wrench. Then, repeat this process with the second leg. Attach the crossbar to the leg using the provided bolts and tighten until secure. Repeat this process with the second leg. Attach the connector to the left and right crossbars as shown. Then, using the provided bolts, tighten until secure. Attach the side plate to the leg using the provided bolts and then tighten them until they are secure. Attach the 12 rubber pads to the top of the frame in the locations as shown. Place your desk upside down on a smooth flat surface. Turn the leg frame over carefully and place it upside down on the desktop. Adjust the width of the frame to suit your desktop by loosening the bolts that are securing the connectors to the crossbars. Then, adjust the width of the frame as needed and tighten the bolts back down. Attach the frame to the desktop using the provided screws and tighten them until secure. Determine whether the control panel will be located on the left or right-hand side of your desk. Then, use the provided screws to attach the control panel to the desktop. Connect the power lines from the legs to the control panel in the locations shown here. Connect the power adapter to the control panel in the location as shown. Attach the cable clips to the underside of the desktop as needed. It is recommended that they be placed approximately in the middle of each length of wire to prevent the cords from hanging too low. Flip the desk assembly over and connect the power adapter to a wall outlet.